working. Clown ass bitch, I ain't coming to the circus. Broke ass niggas on the internet hurting. Big booty bitch getting rich off twerking.
That's what was popping to. Welcome back to another episode of Dior D with me, your girl D. If you're here, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what more videos you would like me to do for you today or any other day. So you already know about today's title, what today's video gonna be. I'm not even gonna talk no more. Let's just get into the video. So yeah, in today's video I'm gonna be doing my wig over. When I did my wig, I was in a rush, so I didn't even braid my hair. I just slicked it back, put the wig on. What I don't have is a wig cap, so I'm gonna be doing it without a wig cap. No, my edge is not gonna be sticking to the glue. Yeah, and yeah, so I'm gonna take my wig off and I'm gonna braid my hair to back, some cornrows. So I'm gonna hit y'all up when I'm done with it. Alright y'all, I'm done. Hold on. Alright y'all, I'm done with my braids. They look terrible, but it is what it is. Now I'm gonna oil my scalp with this Wild Growth, and then I'm gonna slick the little edges I got left back, and then I'm gonna put makeup on my lace and I'm gonna hit y'all back. This is what it looked like before I recut the lace, add any glue or any more glue. Yeah, so I'm gonna I'm gonna cut the lace first and then glue it. So I'm cutting it like zigzag, so it look like a real hairline. That's what it looks like after I cut it. This is the glue. This is some real good glue, y'all, too. So I'll wait till this one dry, put a second coat on. I only do 2 coats because it's some really strong glue, and I'm gonna come back. So this is what it's looking like. I'm about to spray this on my edges and then tie this around my watch. I don't have a little thing people use, so I have a nigga rig. So I'm about to wash my face and brush my teeth. Hopefully it'll be dry by then. Alright, y'all. Oh, hold on. This is what the lace looks like. Up close, personal, no glitter. Yeah. Here, I think I'm gonna tint it a little bit though. I just put these press-ons on. They're real cute, real classy. Yeah. So I'm gonna tint the little lace. It's a bob. I really don't like how the bob looks, so I'm gonna try to like swoop it over this way. When I do that, I'm gonna come back. Alright, I don't want to do too much to the lace because it already looks good as it is. This is what the bob looks like, y'all. I really don't like it. I really don't like the bob like this. So what I was gonna do, I was gonna swoop the hairline. Like, I just really just don't, not feeling this. So I was gonna like this is how I wore it the first night I had it on. I was gonna try to like swoop it over this way. This is how I had it because it was like too cute. So I'm gonna fix it and I'm gonna come back. Alright, this is how I like it. I don't want any edges, but I think I'm just gonna like do it like a little few because I really don't want edges on this. This is too cute by itself. This is how I want it. Like, I want it to be like this. I'll just play with it a little bit. I might do some edges. I might not. I don't know yet. This is the finished look. If y'all like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below with more videos you would like me to do for you today or in a day. I'm really feeling this. Yeah, too cute. Without further ado, bye.